Application exclusive to Starlight color dial, also can be personalized with any color dial. Compatible with all 38mm/40mm/41mm iWatch Apple Watch, including Series 8, Series 7, Series 6, Series SE, Series 5, Series 4, Series 3, Series 2, Series 1, Sport. Fit for all wrists between 5.0-7.8. Almost for the vast majority of people, the coolest design. The design of this band is really cool, dazzling, and stylish. It will attract the attention of others. Comfortable to wear, pleasing to the eye, it is absolutely addictive. Water resistant in general, suitable for wash hands, swimming and snorkeling, but not scuba diving. Luxury, nobility, elegance, and durability. Style enough for work and stylish enough for a traveling. Comfortable to wear. Extreme lightness makes it very comfortable to wear, and besides skin friendly. Each piece of resin is slowly polished by the experienced artificers. Combined with premium tortoise tone resin, it offers a new bracelet look to your Apple Watch. Lighter than stainless steel metal band. Excellent after sales service. You can return it if you are not satisfied with the quality. Please feel easy to order it. Package including 1X watch band, 1X links removal tool. Smartwatch is not included. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Application exclusive to Starlight color dial, also can be personalized with any color dial. Compatible with all 38mm/40mm/41mm iWatch Apple Watch, including Series 8, Series 7, Series 6, Series SE, Series 5, Series 4, Series 3.